Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 7 and let me introduce myself. My name is Saptari Wirawinata.
My name is Chiarannisa and Dewi.
My name is Sheyla, Rizki.
My name is Kayana, Sabita, Nariswari.
My name is Singgih, Rasyid. My name is Fadli Gusvian. Okay, so today we are gonna show you how to use a camera.
Yes.
Okay, for the first, for the materials are camera, lens, film kit, hydrogel, camera big,
Hydrogel.
ya, camera Dewi. Okay, and SD card. Okay, next for the steps.
First, make sure that the battery is fully charged and functional. And then open the battery slot. Then insert the battery slot and SD card. Install camera battery and SD card into the slot. The third step is remove the lens and camera cap. And then the fourth step is dust off the camera sensor and the lens with a blower to make sure get that dust off the way while you're shooting.
Okay, the step 5. You can attach the lens to the lens mount carefully. Next step, you can turn on the camera.
Turn on. Just click.
And you can choose any sort of mode you want in the camera system.
This is the camera mode. And this is intelligent mode.
Next step.
Second step, if you want to take picture and you don't understand anything about camera, you can shoot with intelligent or auto mode. So the camera.
Okay. If you wanna understand how to use the camera properly, you can try these two modes. There are aperture priority and shutter priority.
This is aperture priority and this is
Shutter.
shutter. Yeah, this is aperture and this one is shutter. Yeah.
Okay.
And lastly, if you want to try and practice more to master your camera, you can choose the manual mode. You can choose the manual mode, which you're going to set OK, and then you can see this many kind of advanced option. This one is shutter speed, so you can try to adjust how many times or how much speed the sensor will be exposed. And then this is the ISO, which means the internal camera light. It's not natural from the lighting, but it is the camera trying to bright up its picture to get the clearest picture in so you can produce. And this one is aperture. Aperture is mainly focused how much light can go through your lens and expose to the sensor and able to take pictures, either that's a blurry background or very sharp image that you can take. And then you have so many options. For example, a ZRP AF or autofocus. There's three types. If I would give you tips, and I would choose survey mode because it lets the many options, or if you have a moving subject, so this camera can focusly use the autofocus to take that image sharply. And then we have subject detection. There's human, cats, car, or off or out of. And this one is what kind of quality picture that you want to take. So I'm just gonna use JPEG, or you can choose shoot raw if you want to edit. And then lastly, it's white balance. White balance is simply how can you make your picture a bit normal? Is it too yellow, or is it too blue, or is it too cold, or is it too warm for the picture? And now, picture style. There's many kind of picture style. If I was a beginner, I would still use auto because it would let me to do taking picture precisely and automatically give me the precise style of image that I want to produce. So, and the purpose of this tutorial or text procedure is to give you, to give beginners like me or anyone else to learn more about the camera, to use it properly, to use it to its full potential. Now, camera has many options, many kind of setting, or many kind of words that I don't understand, you don't understand. So we're here to understand, to give you to understanding all these kind of phrases or words that cameras name, like shutter speed, manual mode, or aperture priority, and many more. Yes. And that's our presentation, and yeah, thank you for listening, and thank you for your for the opportunity, and yeah, thank you for your attention.
That's all from us.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Assalamualaikum.
wabarakatuh.